Hello mga guys.
I think all we got to do is get the camper up and jack this up a little and we get something in right there. That's all we got to do. In fact, the one that is touching is actually the ones that we bolted on.
Mm-hmm.
If we just take them off, I think we'll be okay. That one's almost ready.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh shit! I think I got splinter. There's a gap now, Daddy.
Let me see how big it is.
That's enough now.
Yeah. Can you
Just
get it
do
in there?
Yeah, just do it like that.
All the way in? It won't go anywhere.
Yeah, because you know when we put the the camper back on,
It'll compress it, yeah.
Yeah, there's no way.
Make them as steady as you can though, right now.
Give me a sec. Okay.
Just squeeze the sandals as you pull. Here. That's all right. The camper gonna squeeze them for you when I let it down.
That's it. That's all I can do.
Can't get one more?
There are 3 in there already.
Oh, okay. All right, let's watch it as I let it down. You might be able to tip ties as
Oh,
I
it's
go.
already tightened.
Hold
See?
on. Now, can you tighten the zip ties any?
No need, no, Daddy, because it's tightening right here.
Oh, I see.
It's already
Okay.
good. Wow, look at that squeezing, really.
There it is. It's squeezed. That one's easy to recognize because it's got a suit on it. Yeah. Careful of the suit. It's hard to get it off. There you go. Good job.
You okay now?
This one is to lower the spare tire. That's why I always keep it set up.
Okay. Well, you think we need the spare tire?
Well, when we get in there to unbolt that bracket, we'll have to lower the spare tire.
We'll see.
All right.
Hello everyone. Today we will go to Pick and Pull to get our, what's that?
Camp pit.
Camp. Let's go outside, everyone. Let's get our parts. Yeah. So we will get the we will get like this because the other side it's gone and this thing is poking right here at the, what's this called? Truck bed. And my husband left me, so yeah.
All right, honey, I need you to
Gamma, find the treasure chest.
find the treasure chest on this map.
Hello, Daddy.
Hello, sweetheart.
So this is the junkyard. Daddy, is this called a junkyard?
Or a wrecking yard, usually.
Wrecking yard. So we will just look for the part.
This is an F-150.
Is it? Oh, they already took everything.
Yeah, it didn't have the overloads anywhere. No
Oh, okay.
overloads. Still where it is?
Yeah, it's at the very end, right
All
there.
right.
Look at this. Wow. This one is F-150 Ford. Look at this. It's really banged up. Let me see. The F-150 is okay? Oh, the F-150s, they do not have it.
Sure. They didn't even have bolt heads.
This one.
They don't have bolt heads.
What are these called?
I don't know, but it's not the same setup like ours. It's similar, but it's not the same. You need the one that has bolts. These are rivets. You're gonna have to just replace it with bolts.
Bolts?
Yeah.
How? So. Oh, this one! Look, I get stamped. Wow.
We got matching steam. Good, sir, down in here.
This is it, yes?
Yes.
It's on the other side, this side. Oh. Didn't.
Watch out.
Is that turning?
Let me feel it.
Is it turning?
No, it's good. We'll just lay on gravel, huh? Brilliant. What do you see? Okay, I'm doing the second one down and this one.
This one?
Yeah, the top one.
Oh, I'm on the other side. It's somewhat different.
Got it?
Yeah, it's right here.
All right, there we go.
Good job.
Thank you. How about I give you 21 and then I get 10 and change, right? Oh, God, look at that. It shoot it pretty good.
Oh, wow.
How about that one?
Oh, this one is pretty nice. Look, it
So
almost...
it just chewed my beach shoe.
almost there. Yeah, like that. It's nice.
Still not this one. There we go.
Let me see if it's in the other. Try it. Good? It's good. Okay.
Yeah, that one's real good.
Really good?
Yeah. That's good. Yeah, there it is. Okay.